Hi, this is Lee at Nextbase. This is our 422GW dash cam, the first with Alexa built in. Let's take a look at some of the features. The 422GW features 1440p 2K high resolution, really capturing all of that information whilst you're out driving. The 2.5-inch touchscreen makes it easy to set up and to view back your footage via the screen directly. The dash cam can connect directly via Wi-Fi to your phone using the My Nextbase Connect app. Great for when you're on the go, if you need to download and send your footage to your friends, your insurance company, or even the police. This also features our Nextbase Emergency SOS, our groundbreaking technology that is potentially a lifesaver. In the event of an accident, your phone will directly contact the emergency services, even with details like your blood type, to make sure an ambulance is with you on the scene of an incident. Our intelligent parking feature ensures that even when you're outside your vehicle, if an impact or a jolt is sensed, this will start recording. It also includes Alexa built in, so with your voice, you can safely play music, ask for directions, and even control your dash cam. And with the My Nextbase player, which is free to download on your computer, you can edit and share all of your footage. And with our super accurate GPS, which refreshes 10 times per second, all of your data is completely and utterly accurate. So let's take a look at this in the car. Now, our patented click and go technology means that this is the simplest camera to put into your car and take out again with no fuss whatsoever. Let's take a look at it. And as we can see, it's very, very easy to get your dash cam in and out of your car. And with our patented magnetic click and go mount, you can simply install and remove as such. The cable goes around your roof lining and connects to your car power. And with this particular model, the 422GW, we recommend a Nextbase microSD card, and this will support up to 128 gigabytes. This model also supports all of our rear view cameras. First of all, our cabin camera slips into the side and records all movement within your vehicle. Secondly, is the rear view camera using a telephoto lens to record everything happening behind your car. Finally, we have our rear window camera. It adheres to the inside of your rear windscreen and records all movement from behind your vehicle. So with the 422GW dash cam in your car, you can ensure that you keep you and your family safe and prove any incident wasn't your fault. Hi, this is Lee from Nextbase. This is our 522GW packed with additional features. Let's find out what makes this an award winner. The 522GW features 1440p 2K resolution and even a polarizing filter to reduce glare and reflection. The 3-inch touchscreen makes setup so easy and is great for viewing back any of your footage. The My Nextbase Connect app allows you via a Wi-Fi signal to connect your phone directly to your camera on the go. Great for viewing and sharing your footage to the police, to your insurance company, or even to your friends. Nextbase Emergency SOS is our groundbreaking feature that is potentially a lifesaver. In the event of an accident and you are unresponsive, your phone will contact the emergency services with your exact location and even things like your blood type. The intelligent parking feature means that if you're away from your car and the camera detects a jolt to your vehicle, it will start recording the incident, making sure you miss absolutely nothing. Alexa built-in is an incredible feature that allows you to control your dash cam with your voice, whether it's controlling your music, asking for directions, or controlling features of your dash cam. And with the My Nextbase player free to download to your computer, you can view, edit, and share all of your footage. And with our super accurate GPS, which refreshes 10 times every second, you'll be sure to have every single detail on your dash cam. So let's take a look at this in the car. It was really important to us that we made getting your dash cam in and out of your car as easy as possible. So our engineers created the click and go mount, and this is the only dash cam you will find this feature on. As we can see, installation is remarkably simple. And with our patented click and go mount, you simply install like so. And when you're ready to remove it from the car, you take it off. The install cable is very easy to install around your roof lining and then simply connect to your in-car power. We always recommend a Nextbase microSD card, and this particular model will support up to 128 gigabytes. The 522GW is compatible with all three of our rear view cameras. Our cabin camera that records everything within the vehicle itself. Secondly, it will support our rear view camera that uses a telephoto lens to record everything happening outside the back of your vehicle. And finally, our rear window camera that adheres to your rear windscreen and records all movement from behind your car. With our award-winning 522GW dashcam, you can ensure that you and your family are kept safe and you have proof in the event of any incident.
Even being the most cautious and careful driver, you cannot control events outside of your vehicle. That's why, like many other road users, you may experience dangerous and erratic drivers and remain helpless. But now, there is something you can do about it. With an in-car camera or dash cam, you can get another set of two eyes to keep a video record of what occurred and when during your journey to identify dangerous drivers and avoid paying for their irresponsible actions. Well, several companies are offering dashcams. Are you confused about which one to choose? If yes, then trust Rove R2 4K dashcam. Today's most advanced and powerful 4K video card dash camera with new advanced features that can keep ahead of its competitors. The Rove R2 4K dashcam can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p. Whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology with a new advanced Sony Starvis sensor helps to get unmatched clear footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. Moreover, you can have an undistorted video experience now with its new distortion correction algorithm feature. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download the recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route in the tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving locations and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary Rove R2 4K dashcam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry. Auto-triggered parking mode makes the dashcam go into parking mode automatically when your car engine shuts off. 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G sensors, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-motion video, and ensures an extended storage capacity by supporting up to 512 GB Class 10 U3 speed microSD card, which is the highest in the industry. Before choosing any dashcam, temperature guidelines are an essential factor that matters the most. Rove R2 4K is designed and tested to function and withstand extreme higher heat and cold temperatures geographically. It can work in extreme cold of -22 degrees Fahrenheit to extreme hot 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Moreover, the Rove R2 4K comes with a beautifully written professional user manual, which is easy to understand and detail-oriented for any dashcam enthusiasts. It is easy to use and easy to install. Here one of our reviewers said, I am 91 years old and I love it. Easy to install and operate. If he can do it, then anyone can do it. At Rove, we provide how-to videos that will help you set up your dashcam in less than 3 minutes and explain all the features and details for under 30 minutes. On top of these, if you have any questions or concerns, we have a customer care team that is personalized and ready to help answer any questions or concerns or solve any issues that you may need help with. Purchasing the Rove R2 4K comes with an all-in-one package. You will get an advanced 4K video card dash camera that has a meticulously designed hardware and a custom-designed beautiful firmware. We provide free firmware upgrades, free iOS and Android app updates, free GPS player for PC and Mac, and free lifetime customer support that is backed by a 1-year hassle-free warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee in case you have any doubts. All of these are from your local Chicagoland, Illinois company that you can trust. Rove R2 4K has so many advanced state-of-the-art features and technology packed in a single unit, where R2 4K is all you need that won't break your bank. So please, choose today's powerful, compact, beautiful software, user-friendly, and most reliable 4K dash camera, and secure your drive to a safer future with Rove.
The HD Pro Plus has auto power on and off, so you never need to remember to turn it on. It comes with built-in GPS. Simply use software on the PC to view alongside a map. Sony Exmor sensors are included for exceptional night vision. This camera comes with live zoom, supports up to 64GB Class 10 memory card. Today we're unboxing the HD Pro Plus camera from WheelWitness. When you get your HD Pro Plus camera, you'll see it arrive in this great packaging. Open it up and you'll find your camera displayed right on top. Simply remove the camera and you'll have access to all the additional parts and pieces that WheelWitness has included. You'll find your suction cup mount, your USD power cord, a USB power connector, an additional cord. You'll also have your micro SD memory card. First, you start by removing the suction cup mount. You'll notice the plastic film on the back. Simply remove that, then you'll place it onto the windshield behind the rearview mirror. Apply gentle pressure to remove air bubbles and create a smooth seal. Prior to mounting your dash cam, you'll open up your memory card holder. You'll grab your smallest SD HD memory card and remove it from the package. You'll insert it into the bottom of the camera and press it in until it clicks. Next, you'll take your HD dash cam and mount it using the swivel arm already attached to your windshield. You'll notice the port on top that easily attaches. Simply slide it in until it clicks and feels secure. Next, you'll grab the USB power adapter and plug it into your vehicle's port. You'll notice it's connected to power when the red light illuminates. Next, you'll take your power cable, identify the USB connector end, and plug it in to your power source. You'll take the small end and attach it directly to the side of your camera. You'll know it's attached to power when it automatically turns on and the red light illuminates at the top. You're now ready to start using your HD Pro Plus Premium Dash Camera from WheelWitness.